On this video, we're going to look at Freddy Krueger from Nightmare on Elm Street 3 action figure with additional accessories by NECA. What's going on? Today we are opening the Nightmare on Elm Street 3 Dream Warriors edition of Freddy Krueger action figure by NECA and Real Toys. I picked this up on, I think, Wish for really cheap. I think it was $20 actually, or 25 bucks. It was on sale. Now, A Nightmare on Elm Street 3 is actually still pretty good in the series, although I think the second one the best. Tell me what you guys think. What was your favorite Nightmare on Elm Street movie, or actually even a horror movie? Now, I got this because I'm continuing my collection of action figures from the movies. So the last one that we got was Jason Voorhees. This is the ultimate Jason from Freddy vs. Jason, so I needed to get Freddy Krueger. I also picked up Pennywise, of course. That one is an articulate one from NECA as well. This one is not articulating, but he does have different heads. I also picked up this alien here. Also, this is Alien Isolation, and then we've got obviously Deadpool, Venom's, Bruce Lee, and Carnage, and those are Play Kai Arts, or Kai Arts Play, I don't know, whatever company that is. So yeah, and then I have my 3D printed Hulk and other busts that I've done. So anyway, so this is the collection, and I am super psyched and stoked to add Freddy. Now, I always loved Freddy Krueger growing up. This is actually a photo of the character. So let's take a look. Now, from the pictures that I saw, I wasn't too keen and too happy with this. Actually, I don't even think if this is the correct one, because it looked different. But anyways, let's take a look and see. So the box came a little squished, as you can see, but I am not using this as a collector edition, so I'm not too worried that the box is busted up. Let's see if anything's inside. Nothing's inside, so let's put them on the side here now. The backdrop is just that. It's just a backdrop. So let's take a look. Very nicely packaged up. Not much to break. He's held in place by these plastic twist ties. NECA toys are actually pretty decent, in my opinion. Now, what do we get? So we get a second bust instead of the original sweater here. We've got a little house. I think this is a dream house. Oh, what is this, made from wood? Oh no, this is printed also, I think, 3D printed. This is, I think, PVC material. It's some sort of a rubbery. What does it say on the back here? Let's see. It says, all rights reserved, NECA 2011. Alright, so this is the house. There's a piece of tape here and here that's holding these things in place. So let's take out Freddy. Now this reminds me of the same quality as Jason Voorhees. It's making weird noise. Actually, it's not as good. So let's take a look and try the different articulations. So first we're going to start with the head. It goes 360, but this lifts a little. Probably comes off because you can swap heads. There you go. So I took this head off, and they provided us with another head. So let's take a look at this head, and I might as well take these gloves here. Oh right, that's right. This is when they inject the people with the drugs. Alright, that's everything. Alright. So here's everything that you get additionally. You get the hat, you get the hand, you get the second head. Here's the two heads right here. And then you get the second torso. This is the screaming torso here. And then of course the house. Okay, so let's swap the heads. So we're gonna go from the smiling to the screaming, because it's always better to scream. So this is the head that he's using to scream. So let's put this one on. Now the articulation on the head is pretty good. Let's just jam that in. Oh, it actually takes some skill to put on the head. And it still doesn't go all the way down. I don't know if it's possible to break this, really. Alright. Okay, so here's the head. Much better. Let's take a look at the arm. The arms are articulating, both, and they kind of lock in place too. There's another joint right here. It only goes 90 degrees. The rest goes all the way out. Does it come out? Let me see here. Yes, this does come out also. This one probably also comes out. Okay, torso goes all the way 360. Can he do a split? Definitely. Yes, he can. All right, so there, let's take a look at the leg. Only about a 45, 50 degrees. And then the foot itself also kind of bend. Let's see if you can twist that. No. Okay, but that does move. So you can set some pretty crazy poses next to Jason, I suppose. All right, so let's make him a little more menacing. We're gonna take his hat and we're gonna put it on like that. Oh, he kind of looks like he's smiling. Oh, there's the cross. But I like his hat. So we're gonna put his hat on. And what's this? Where's this guy go? This little guy, I guess it's like a little... Ooh. All right. Let's replace his hand then. Does it come off? Or am I gonna rip this off? No, it came off, but it's also very big. So let's put this one on. These are really hard to go on. I feel that this is gonna bust. But it didn't. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Alright. You know what? I think this does come off and this does go on. So we're going to take this one off and we're going to try putting these needles on. I don't know how that's going to fit in there, but let's try it. Oh, it went in. Alright. Good. Oh, and this comes out too, because I know that he had really long arms. So that's good. Let's see what we could do here. Kind of like that, kind of. That's good. Now let's take this and let's put a different torso on him. Let's see how this clips on. Probably here. So that's how this clips on. Now let's take this and put this torso on. So it clips pretty nicely. Okay, looks good. I kind of like it. Although this is more traditional. I don't know which one is better. But yeah, let's go put him on our wall and see.